Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our debts as we forgive our debtors. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, and the power, and the glory
Let us humbly invoke by our prayers to brothers and sisters, God's blessing upon this bride and groom, that in His kindness He may favor with His help those on whom He has bestowed the sacrament of matrimony. RJ and Charmaine, bestow your head for the nuptial blessing. Holy Father, Maker of the whole world, who created man and woman in your own image, and willed that their union be crowned with your blessing, we humbly beseech you for these your servants, who are joined with me in the sacrament of matrimony.